Hello everybody and welcome back into the video. So we're back here in Forza Horizon 4. We're going to be doing the best drift car. Today I've got two cars. This is my first one. It's called the Twerk Stallion. You may recognise it, it's a hooligan car. It is called the 1992 Hooligan Mazda RX-7. So this was a rotary Twerk Stallion. Now it has a 2.5 litre engine. It sounds like a dentist drill, in my opinion. It doesn't sound bro, big lock up there. But I feel like this is such a nice car. Look at it, it's just got this drifty feeling as well. It does drift as well, obviously. Just there. That was a good start, good start. It seems so sensitive sometimes. Don't drift. Try to get Scandinavian on that one. Obviously just to those donuts, as you can imagine people do. I look at the interior as well. So you got obviously the royal steering wheel, just kind of common in a drift car. That or an OMP are very common. Like steering wheels, the best quality as well. Because I absolutely poop myself. So yeah, if you haven't seen any more, if you've never seen me before, I'm Reg GT, I was known as George. I make mainly Forza videos. Forza, sometimes a bit of Fortnite. I think I'll ever make a FIFA video. Because I'm just not really into football that much. I mean, I watch it, but I'm not too keen. Make sure to subscribe there, hit the, obviously the like. I'm really good driving this one too. Really, really good. This is obviously episode 2 of my Forza, just kind of, not let's play, but kind of just... I see actually quite good drifting. I wish somebody that can actually drift really well, probably do really well for them. And I can't drift really well. Right, let's try this. That's worse. Is that impossible? Alright, one more attempt. It's just so sensitive, so you can't really get the back end down, look. It just doesn't want to, it just bites, and it either bite really, really well. Right, let's go and get out my second car. I actually do need to make this one. And I think I need to buy it as well. Right. View all. I wonder what everybody's thinking about this. I'm just going to remember what it was first. Well, I know what it was, I just don't know if I've got the Mark 1. They do. The 1994 Miata. So that's the American word you say Mazda, I think, or MX-5. They call it Miata. I have no clue why. We're going to plain colour it though, in obviously red. If you've ever seen another channel called Car Throttle, they, well, the main presenter Alex, he has a 1994 one. It's called Phil. Make sure you obviously check the channel out. Links in the description. Obviously a lot bigger than me. They've got like 3 million subscribers. One day. So I'd actually really like one of these cars personally. I really like them, the old MX-5. So obviously you got the old engine in there, in the boot here. I've just got some general stuff. Wait. Hop inside. Oh, should we get a cold start up? That is me as well. sound quite fruity, you know. It just sounds like nice. So this is its stock. So obviously it's not going to be that quick. You can't just... Still, to food. Actually, just better than the old Twerk Stallion was. But here's a throw it in. It's more. The old Windows kind of logging on. E-brake, oh, always switches. You can never press the, I've got it as the A button. You can never press the handbrake, and it will just go straight, always curves, and I don't know why. So we're going to obviously custom upgrade it. Conversion. First thing would be an engine swap. Oh, rotary. 500. Yes. Oh, do we? Fair. I actually really want one of these as my first car. I love a wide body MX-5. Oh man, that just looks nice. Oh, we can only restrict the this thing will still be pretty rapid, hopefully. Weight reduct. Yeah, boy. So what this one actually do is it just stiffens. I mean, I probably should put a roll cage in. I've just dumped the old one and just put a new one in, but oh well. You're going to slam it, you're going to put some drift springs on. By the way, so obviously subscribing is completely free and it will mean the world to me. So please do subscribe because I want some subscribers. Oh, that's nice. It's free, so why would you not subscribe? I mean, I could do it. What do I want here? Oh no, I don't know. On the little lip on that. What have they got? That's just Forza on. That's Racing B. What? Mazda just leave theirs off. I'm gonna go with a big old rear wing. The wide body kit looks nice, but it's just that's the one that I like. I love that kind of. I'm gonna go for that. I'm going to go for that. We're going to chuck on some fat boy tyres. Some big boy stuff. None of this messing around. I'll say I want to change the rims actually. They're alright, but alright. The old whip. Let's just sort out the tyre compound. We want drift. You got any drift? We go stock, race, maybe for Horizon compound actually. Drivetrain, what we currently got? Oh, I've done this already. No, I need to do this then. Driveline, just kind of upgrade everything. Transmission, better transmission, better clutch, and that is our lovely MX-5. That's nice. How much is it? 718 horsepower. It weighs just 1,000 kilos. Well, it's 998, but still. Class it's now an S2 928, so this thing is rapid. And hopefully it should be able to drift. But please do subscribe because I really, this is what I want to do as a job. I want to upgrade my setup. I want to just, you know, how this is a job, and it's down to everybody out there that do it. So please do subscribe. Right, wide body. It sounds like the Twerk Stallion as well because I put a rotor in it. Oh, it throws in a lot nicer than the old Twerky. That sounds weird. In the old Twerky. Oh, I said that. Right, I'll be honest, if there's somebody good that can actually drift, I'd definitely give it to that person because I just can't drift, but I feel like this is better than Twerk Stallion. Not just because it's an MX-5, but... No! Oh dear. Oh, the drag race as well. So it's standing in top speed at 150, the intro in the video, but I did it cool. Let's go. It should be able to do more, it's got a lot more horses as well. I mean, the runway at the end, 163, and a bit of air as well. Hate winter. And before people start saying, oh, you keep copying AR12 gaming. No, I haven't. These two videos kind of just... I'm not copying, I'm kind of just... I'm always thinking about doing this one. The next one will be a supercar video. I killed a fan. Anyways, I've got to go. So I'll see everybody in the next video. Please do like, subscribe. Obviously, it's free and I would love it. And really, it's what I want to be doing as a job. I want people to subscribe. So, I'll end on a donut. So, please do like, subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. There's the MX-5 there. Give us a little whirl off to this video. And now, as everybody knows, new videos out every single day. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.